Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can chat with people in Bigo Live. Go ahead and open Bigo Live, and let's suppose I want to chat with this person. I will tap on the profile and then click chat. You must also know that if the person isn't allowing some stranger to chat with them, the message will go but they will not receive them. Let's go ahead and check if this person can receive my chat. So you can see that I cannot chat with her. Let me give you another example. I will simply go to my chats and then I will see how we can chat. After clicking on chats, I will click on the profile. I'll send hey, and this is how you can chat. Simply going by their profile, following them and pressing on chat, you can chat with the people in Bigo Live. This video was about how you can chat in Bigo Live. I hope everything is clear for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.